Okay, make a little video here out by the pond. Got my awesome shirt, turbo shirt. Turbo blows air into the engine. But out by the pond, little suicidal playing. Had to charge the iPod player. The water's a lot clearer than it was. The fish have been eating a lot, so they may not come up. But you see those 3 trees, 1, 2, 3, 4, actually 4. I had to repot 3 of them to the left, 1, 2, 3. And I did it, and they came out damn good in the pot straight. You saw that jerk? That was a myclonus. But got a nice fire going. There's the wood pile. Sprayed some weeds over there earlier. The cooler situation. Cooler! Fish food. To say I drink a lot of water is an understatement. But today I brought the wheelchair down this far and then got out and scooted over to here instead of scooting all the way up there. It just seems to make more sense to me. But whatever. It is what it is. All right. That's that. Everyone enjoy. Let me see if I could get the fish to come up. Goldfish, koi, so there's the fish enjoying the day. All right.